Hey, hi, Mukund here, and I'm recording this quick video so that I can give you the detail about the LinkedIn premium offer from my trusted vendor. So, first of all, thank you very much for your patience. I have been busy with the other projects the whole day, so it has been going haywire all around. And finally, this offer came up, and I did not want to miss it out for you guys, whoever have requested for more info. Okay, so to give you a picture right now, this trusted vendor, I have shared in cohort 5 as well. That time he was giving 100% of coupon, and suddenly what happened that whoever created premium, their account was reverted back. So right now I look at trust and safety. Okay, so safety is the big thing that why I'm connected with this person. Okay, so the first point being right now, is what you're getting is a LinkedIn premium 75% coupon or on a yearly plan. What we mean by that is basically what is going to happen once you go through the process, you will apply the coupon. Okay, and you will get 75% off on the regular price right now. The coupon cost is 3000 rupees for LinkedIn business premium, so that is his charge, and then 7000 rupees for sales navigator core. Now most of you don't need it. There are only certain level of people, and I'll tell you in a bit where it matters. Okay, now once you get this coupon, then you will go ahead and use the coupon in the normal purchase process. So if you are going for LinkedIn business premium, normal LinkedIn business premium yearly is somewhere around 13,000 rupees. After discount you get some this cost, estimated cost. Okay, and LinkedIn business sales navigator is averagely 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. It is certain features, certain prices get updated ongoingly. I'm looking at the price of 6,000 rupees per month, so you get it for 72,000. Post discount it would be somewhere around 18,000. Now a huge disclaimer: this works for new account and old account as well. And new account, when you apply for it, you get that additional 1 month. Obviously that part also get changes automatically. Okay, secondly, the above mentioned price are estimated price. Please verify the final cost of on your LinkedIn checkout days. You will get the exact price at that time itself. Okay, so note that international prices are typically 2x to 3x higher than the rates available in India. That's why the international coupons are different, right? For from Indian coupons, and the coupon to get a discount on Indian LinkedIn account and international LinkedIn account is different, as I mentioned. And if you already have a LinkedIn premium yearly and monthly, wait for it to complete. Okay, and then reach out to me. Obviously the price may get updated by that time. Okay, now quickly I want to go through why you need to have business premium. Okay, so first of all is reach more customer. So you can with the free version, if you are still on the free version, you can only send 50 message per month. If you're lucky, LinkedIn allows you to send something. It's based on their algorithm, how many people are connecting and working on a daily basis. However, the default limit for anyone having a premium account is 200 messages per week. Okay, then secondly, you can track your lead, every single person who looked at your profile in the last year. Without it, you can only see last 5 people who have checked your profile. Okay, but with LinkedIn premium, you get to see everybody who has checked out your profile, and that is the biggest thing that we look for the conversion point of view. Now here's the thing: there are certain people, 1 to 2% people who have put a limit on their account, like nobody can see their profile. You can't see that anyway, even if you have a paid account. Okay, next part is you get found easier. Okay, because of the LinkedIn premium part, it's like you pay LinkedIn, now it is going to give you more options. So think about it from that way. It would present your account to the right people more commonly if they search your category or search your title. Then the build instant trust. Now because of LinkedIn, you get a gold badge. Okay, and as you get the gold badge, what happened that obviously people see that you have invested money on LinkedIn, and that's where another level of trust becomes comes from that. Okay, and finally, this is an optional thing. Show more offer. Right now, you get only with no LinkedIn premium, you're allowed to put only one banner. With premium, you can go ahead and add 3 banners. Okay, now LinkedIn Premium Sales Navigator. This is a bit of a different system, and obviously we have to play around with that also in later time accordingly. But what it gives, it's the gold standard right now. It will show you more details compared to what is there. Okay, so in Sales Navigator, you get 50 plus special tool to find the exact boss's company. Plus, you have other features, much more bigger features than the basic search. Okay. There's something called that lead saving. You can save a lead and what we call a lookalike audience. So if you create a list of leads, that this is my potential client, and then ask Sales Navigator, oh, give me more clients like that, it would show it to you. Okay. And then real time alert. There is so many details that people do posting and other things. You will get those information and you can filter it according to that as well. Okay. Now, uh, LinkedIn Business Premium. Now, this is basically what should you choose. Now, LinkedIn Business Premium, if you are a one man army, you have limited number of people, and you mainly work offline. Okay. Business Premium is good. Obviously, you'll be doing content marketing as well, so you look professional. Kind of people would connect to you. So this is the social media game. This makes it effective here. Okay. Then there is Sales Navigator. This is for dedicated expert. It's like the door knocking thing. A sales guy, their job is to go ahead and connect to people as much as possible. So this is mainly for expert who are daily hunting for new leads and need powerful LinkedIn to find lookalike audience. Now, the team workflow tip. So, if you have a team and you have a sales guy, I would suggest get Sales Navigator for them. And once they can create list, filtered list, and they can give it to you. Now you have data, and with the business premium, you as an entrepreneur can connect to the right people. So even if you have a multiple people team, you can just give it to one person who is specifically going and using Sales Navigator to reach out to people. Okay. And then you can play around with it. The rest of the team member can use the normal business premium. Okay. So this is the offer. This is what I wanted to share. If you're looking for it, I am going to focus on it only till Wednesday, because I'm already working on your project. The next session, I'm working hard on it, and that's what I'm looking at. And for people who are not on cohort 6, obviously I'm doing the session $2 million offer for $100 million offer for cohort 6. So that's going on. Okay. So we'll talk soon. Bye.